Now let's get into the problems based on number arithmetic. Most of the questions will be pretty simple and direct. You should use your raw intelligence to solve them. So let's get into it. Look at the question. There are some numbers. They're asking us to compute the value. So let me write down the numbers. You can clearly make out plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel. This plus 2 minus 2 will cancel. So every two numbers are getting cancelled. So before 101, probably you'll have 100th element and 99th element. 99th will be plus 2 and 100 is minus 2 and 101 is again plus 2. In this, plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel. The left out number is plus 2. Therefore, the answer is C. Then we have a question where we have some numbers and with some arithmetic operation. Let's write down the question. Look at these numbers. We can clearly make out from 9988, if I subtract 7788, it is 2200. And because 9988 is having positive, so I will put it as plus. Now when we take this value this side, it becomes negative. So instead of taking it to the left side, let me subtract them directly, these two numbers. This will be 1122. Again the bigger number is plus, therefore I will put it as plus. Now because both are plus, we can just add them. This becomes 3322. That's the answer. Here we have a multiplication, 587 into 999. Now if you directly multiply, it's pretty lengthy. Instead of that, we can do it this way. So 587 into 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1. So this is 587 000 minus 587. That is 586413. At this step, you can figure out 587 minus something. So definitely the number will be less than this. Looking at the options, you can clearly make out this is the only option whose value is less than this. Therefore, you need not compute the answer. At this stage itself, you can directly mark the answer. Now look at these values. You see that some numbers are same, isn't it? If I take this as a and this is b, I can write this as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by ab. Here let me write down a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we are doing a subtraction, so let me subtract these two. This becomes 4ab. So this is 4ab by ab, so that is 4. So when you can figure out there is some common numbers, it's better to find out which formula can apply. To score good marks, practice well.